Hey, can you solve this integral? I believe your teacher must have gave you some templates to follow. Yeah, they're kind of a lot, for the e function, for the lean, and all the other things. But yeah, I'm not really so good at memorizing templates. So I'm going to show you a method which can allow you or enable you to solve it without knowing the template. And the good thing is that this method works for all the other integrals as well. So basically, just by knowing one method, and you have everything under control. This is called substitution method. Let me show you how we use it. Okay, let's integrate this. 3 divided by the root of x plus 2 with respect to x. Okay, first thing, let's change it to a form that is, kind of common. So we're going to drop the 3 and say 3 multiplied by 1 over the sum of x plus 2 raised to the power 1 over 2, since square root is the same as power of 1 over 2 with respect to x. Don't forget we're integrating this. So we're going to say that 3 multiplied by the sum of x plus 2 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2, since whenever you have 1 there, the power becomes negative. So what we're going to do next, we're going to say that x plus 2 is equal to u. We're substituting. So that's going to give us the integral of 3u raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 with respect to x. But here we have a problem. We can't integrate something with respect to x. We can't integrate u with respect to x. So we need to integrate with respect to u. But how are we going to do this? So we're going to differentiate the equation that we found. Yeah. So that's going to be du dx. And that's basically just a 1 since x plus, yeah. Then we're going to multiply. Just treat them as variables. So that's going to give us du dx. Du is equal to dx, so yeah, basically just the same thing. So we're going to say the integral of 3x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 with respect to u. Then we're just going to do some normal integration here. By normal, I mean the basic principle, where we just gonna say we're gonna increase the power by 1 and then divide the term by the new power, which is 1 over 2 plus 1, right? And then since this is not a definite integral, so plus k, which is a constant, some people say plus c, but either way, that's going to give us 3u raised to the power of 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 plus our constant. Please do not forget the constant or leave it behind. Okay, and this is the same as saying 3u raised to the power 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. So if we just reciprocate, that 1 over 2 is going to give us a 2. And then we're going to basically have 2 multiplied by 3, which is going to give us 6. 6 multiplied by u raised to the power of 1 over 2. And please remember that 1 over 2 is the same as the square root. So here we're going to say 6 multiplied by the root. Now let's take back our initial expression. That's going to give us x plus 2, yeah, plus k, just like that. And that's how you find the integral of that monster right there, man. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see me use this method on the e or maybe a trigonometric function, just put it in the comments. Success through synergy. Peace.